Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today I'm doing an entry into the Coxypicks. I should have checked what that was.
I'll Google. I'll not Google.
You'll Google.
I'll Google. I'll Google on the YouTubes. Coxypicks, yes.
Okay. Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today I'm doing an entry into a Coxypicks, which is for the giveaway for Coxyspicks is a 300 subscriber giveaway. What we have to do is use a can.
That he totally didn't go out and buy extra cans just for this.
Any excuse.
Any
Got to use a
excuse.
can to shim out of a set of handcuffs. Oh. I haven't practiced this at all in true Deadlocks fashion because
You return it?
who needs practice? I'm going to try and do this without any tools.
You do this without any tools? Are you crazy?
Probably.
You cut yourself?
Probably.
I'm not dealing with you. I'm not taking your hospital. Okay.
Can's leaking.
Oh my god.
Luckily, I'm not yet.
Oh my goodness, what are you doing? The coffee is going to smell like beer.
It already smells like beer, get over it.
It doesn't smell like beer.
Does not. What I'm doing is folding it a few times to fatigue the metal a bit,
Fatigue it.
so I can try and tear it where I want it to tear.
Please do not cut yourself. Can't deal with blood.
I am attempting to not cut myself. I promise nothing. Coxy did actually do a similar thing to tear his can when he did this. That did not work. Oh well, we're getting there. Coxy did actually bleed. Hopefully I won't. I'm going to get rid of that because that bit looks spanky. Move this bit. This can isn't tearing the way I want it to.
Maybe you should use a tool.
I am?
Your hands are not a tool.
Yeah.
Not a tool that can't be cut.
Worked. Been no blood so far.
Dear me.
What?
You know, just you. Dreading this one.
Why?
Because if you bleed, you're going to bleed a lot.
Oh. Coxy didn't bleed a lot. There we go. This can does not like to. I think this has quite thick metal on it because I'm having trouble getting it to fatigue. And there we go. I think I have a bit that's about the right size for my plan now because I'm going to try and do something a little different to what I've seen other people doing. So everyone else has done a few folds to make it a long strip that's a few thick. I'm going to try and shim out using one layer.
Just one?
Just one. The way I'm going to try and do it is a similar way to what we've done it with the £5 note.
Oh.
A while ago. So basically I'm making a W around the bow, sliding that in. It's slightly harder than I had hoped. Trying to figure out where I'm catching. In. A little bit of the way. I'm on the poles. Need a little further.
Goodness.
Pull down the side and shimmed out with one layer of tin can. That's my entry into the Coxy shims. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye! I meant the handcuffs.
You had full confidence in the handcuffs?
Yes.
The handcuffs failed.
No, I mean I had full confidence in the beef. What? I'm confused. I knew you could open them. That's what I meant. I don't like this beef thing. It confuses my brain.
Okay.